Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nanhi Udan. Today we are presenting 10 easy lines on Independence Day. Let's start. Point number 1. Independence Day is celebrated every year on 15th August in India. Point number 2. Each state and union territory celebrates it with great zeal and enthusiasm. Point number 3. India got its freedom on 15th August 1947 after 190 years of British rule. Point number 4. This day honors the sacrifices of freedom fighters and reminds us of nation's struggle for freedom. Point number 5. This year on Independence Day 2020, India will complete 73 years as an independent nation. Point number 6. On this day, Prime Minister of India hoists and salutes the national flag at Red Fort in Delhi. Point number 7. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister to hoist Indian flag after independence. Point number 8. Independence Day is proudly celebrated all over India with flag hoisting ceremonies, defense parades and cultural events. Point number 9. People celebrate this day by decorating houses, schools and offices with national flags and singing national anthem. Point number 10. Independence Day focuses on the power of unity, bravery of Indian soldiers and fills us with nationalism. We should feel proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind.